how to add another page to Google Sites. So if you want to basically add another page to Google Sites, so when you're on sites.google.com and editing a certain site where you also want to add an extra page, all you have to do is just go to this option right here that says pages, and once you go to this option right here that says pages, here you can see 3 different pages. But if I want to add more, at the bottom you'll find this button that says plus icon, and here you'll see new page. So just select new page right here and just give this page a name. Then you can also click on advanced to enable other options and custom paths, but I'll just select done right here. And now right here you can see the new page has actually been created just like this without me having to do anything. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically add a new page on Google Sites. I hope that this video was really helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.